Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So today I am in CCR. I am deballasting, and we are dropping anchor at Singapore Straits. So right now we are dropping anchor. We have one more vessel.
Very short stay, 8 o'clock.
She is very near to us.
Okay, two on deck, two in water. Let us know when two is in water. Okay.
So as you can see, the traffic density here in Singapore Strait is too high, and we are dropping anchor very near to this vessel. So this is the case in Singapore. Singapore Strait is generally very narrow space, and so many vessels are there. So we have to be very careful and vigilant for dropping anchor and for navigation as well. We are picking up stores today. One day before dry dock, all the stores have come, provisions have come, and right now I am on deck. I was doing deballasting the full day, and other officers were doing 6 on 6 off. We have exchange life rafts also. That is 30 monthly exchange of life raft. All the life rafts. So total we have 5 life rafts, and we have exchanged it on board. Good morning, people. What's up? Welcome to another vlog, another day. Today will be the first day of our dry dock. Right now we are at anchor in Singapore. Yesterday we have picked up stores. Many ships are anchored somewhere near us, and 8:30 chemist will come. He will check the atmosphere of the tanks, same like we are doing right now. We are just doing the pre-check of the atmosphere just before the chemist comes. He will pass the vessel, and after that we will proceed to dry dock. For dry dock, our pilot is booked at 11:30. So after that we'll sail towards dry dock Keppel, and we are supposed to dock in dry dock at around 1500. That is just an estimate, but we'll see how much time we take to dock the vessel. After that, all the dry dock formalities will be there, and this will be the first day of our dry dock. So let's see what action is coming ahead of us. I'm checking the oxygen content inside the cargo spaces, cargo lines. So right now the oxygen content is 20.9%, as I have checked. I have put the sampling here and the condensate line. I have already checked the sampling points on top, middle and bottom of the tank, and everything looks normal. We are ready to enter the cargo spaces. Let's see. So people come on board like this. Boat comes alongside, and we have a combination ladder here. People climb on pilot ladder first, and then they go on accommodation ladder, and then they climb up. In another 1 hour we are picking up pilots, so I am going on bridge to keep this GoPro on time lapse. So I will record this time lapse when we dock. Pilot boat is
अच्छा
approaching.
रोशन ये हाइड्रोलिक चालू कर सकता है.
I'm already at aft station. I'm in charge of aft station today. Tugs are approaching. 3 tugs are there. 1 tug is already made fast to deck aft. 1 tug is approaching. 1 more tug is there in midship. My crew is already here, and let's see what happens. We are approaching towards dock. Very nice. I like it. So we are going inside this dry dock. This is our forward mooring station, and we are moving inside now. We have 2 tugs in the aft. Both the tugs are pulling. We have tug lines, one at the aft, at the right aft center lead, and one at the starboard quarter. Same ways we have on the starboard side 2 tugs. 4 tugs are helping in maneuvering. Now rain has also started. This is the log gate now. It's closing. After this log gate closes, they will start pumping out the water, and we will sit on the blocks. So this is the log gate. Dock has already started pumping out water, as you can see. We are inside. They are pumping out water from here to there, outside at sea. We are inside the dock now. People have started coming, and this is the dock. Everything is there, all the things for repairing, welding, scaffolding. People are coming on board like this in the crane. So this is the procedure. So if you can see there, we have a LNG vessel there, and all the cranes are there. That ship is already there inside the dock, and that repairing is already done, I think. Whatever is heavy lifts are there, these cranes are picking up and dropping it on the ship. Now I am going down So yard people, they are opening the bottom plugs, and water will come outside from the ballast tanks. I have already wore my gumboots, and now me and another third of sub, we are going down on jetty to check and take our bottom plugs. Let's go. Now we are going down from the ladder. Ladder is somewhere around 7 floors up, and this is our ship from the side. Still we have to do the painting on the sides, but right now the rust spots are visible. After 3-4 days we'll see the difference. The ship hull will be painted completely, and the ship will look exactly new. This is our propeller and rudder. See, there nobody is there. Just we'll go down. We'll see the bottom plugs, and let's see. From top on bridge, ship doesn't look that big, but here the actual length can be seen. Here you can see the marine growth here. This will get clean, and then there's a marine growth. Right now 4 peak tank water is coming outside, and some more tanks. People are there. I guess some more things are there. These are the blocks on which the ship is sitting. As you can see there, these are the blocks. I am under the ship right now, and I am walking under the ship. The beam of this vessel is around 30 meters. It doesn't look so wide from outside, but if I go under the ship, the beam is actually very wide. This is our rudder, this is our propeller, this is the aft of the ship, and that is forward. That is our accommodation, that is our funnel. This is the ship from down from the jetty. This is the jetty I was showing you in the morning. To go to the ship, we have this way. This is our ship, and this is the ladders of this dock, and that is the gangway they have put. So now I have to climb up all the way. I have to go from this gangway and go to our ship. So it will take me time because I am already tired. I am coming from down, and 7 floors I have to climb up, and then I have to go on the ship. So let's go. So this is our first day on dry dock. I suppose I have worked so much since morning. People are laying up the anchor chain there. I have already shown you there. So today in the evening I have lowered this anchor. Now they are laying up the chain, and now I am going on ship. After this I will go to rest. Tomorrow morning the schedule is I have to wake up a little bit early. 8 o'clock we have to be there for day meeting, and then we will start our work. Generally from morning 8 to 6 will be our schedule in dry dock, and after that if some work comes we'll see. So for next 12 days we are here. Diwali is also celebrated. Diwali will also be celebrated here on board only. So no leave. Only work and work. Let's see what happens. So with this, I am finishing this video. This is Shubham Joshi signing off from day 1. See you in day 2 of dry dock. Bye bye, sayonara.